Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to show you how to replace a screw on your roller assembly. The reason why you might do this is because your screw is lost or rusted out. For this job, you'll just need a Phillips-head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. For this demonstration, I'll be using an Electrolux refrigerator. This is a side-by-side fridge. Keep in mind though that your fridge may be a little bit different, but the same technique should still apply. So this screw, if you take a look right here, is supposed to go right in that hole to hold in our bracket, but we don't have one there. We've also got two that'll be underneath if you flip the fridge up, but we're not going to do that. We just have that one missing. So what we'll do, you can grab your new OEM replacement screw. If you don't have one already, you can order one online. Taking our Phillips head screwdriver, put that in there, screw that in there, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.